Okay, now we're going to take what we did in the first part, talking to the text and annotating that article, and we're going to use that information to write a summary of the text so that we can then write a response. But we need to start by figuring out what Lamar Alexander's argument is and being able to summarize it for other readers. So I am using the MLA template here, as you can see, and I'm just going to call this Summary of Going to College. I don't need to put the whole title there. And I've started by just giving an overall summary. I'm going to italicize this because it's the name of a newspaper. In his New York Times opinion piece, Going to College Should Not Be a Financial Albatross, Senator Lamar Alexander argues in favor of making changes to the student loan system so that students can afford to go to college and not be crushed by debt. He offers a three-part solution. So a few things I've done in my summary. I've answered the what. This is a New York Times opinion piece. I've named the title. I've named the author by his full name. And what else have I done? I've kind of summed up his overall argument. I put crushed by debt in quotation marks because that was actually a phrase that was in the early part of the article, and I wanted to capture that that was their phrase. And then I write, he offers a three-part solution. Okay, so now I can say what that three-part solution is. First, and if I go back and look at it, I remember that he was talking about financial aid and specifically the FAFSA form. First, he argues, and I'm not going to worry about my verbs yet, I'm just going to get these points down, that we should simplify the FAFSA form so that more families and students, I'm just going to say students, will apply for financial aid. I can fill that out later. So what was his second point? Second, he argues that we should simplify the loan repayment process, giving just two easy options. And third, he wants to, he said, eliminate red tape. So I'll put that in here for now. That means just get rid of some of the regulations and make it easier for colleges to offer financial aid to students. But that third solution was also about accountability and make colleges accountable so that they don't award aid to students who can't afford to pay it back. Okay, so now I have a basic sort of line item summary. I know who wrote this, I've got the title, I've got his overall argument, I've said it's a three-part solution, and I've given his first, second, and third parts here. So if I were writing a summary, I would kind of just start there, and then I would go back into these paragraphs and just fill out a little bit more detail about the why. Why does he think this will work? Why does he think that we should simplify the loan repayment process? How exactly is this accountability piece going to work? And you'll notice that so far I'm not giving my own opinion about any of this. All I'm doing is trying to capture in a fair way his argument in a way that he will recognize. So that's how you begin to write a summary.